Every masterpiece begins with a single idea and a piece of leather. Here we don't just make shoes, we create stories that you can wear. The leather you see here comes from genuine cowhide, durable, flexible, and rich with natural texture. Every inch of this material holds its own story. The marks, the lines, the natural grain. Nothing is waste, nothing is fake. This is where craftsmanship begins with respect for the material. For a single stitch is made, every pattern is carefully traced and cut by hand. No machine, no shortcuts, just skill and patience. Each cut must be clear and precise because even a millimeter can change the shape of the final shoes. This is the foundation of true craftsmanship. In this stage, focus and control matter more than speed. Now come the most dedicated part, stitching. Every hole is punched by hand, every third pulled with purpose. This is not just joining pieces together, it's building strength, flexibility, and comfort into the leather. A single mistake here can undo hours of work. Listen closely. That soft rhythm of the needles passing through the leather, that's the sound of dedication. Each stitch holds the marks, makers, patience, and year of experience. This is what makes handmade shoes truly different. No machine can feel, adjust, or care like human hands. After stitch, the real artistry begins. The leather is shaped, stitched, and molded around the wooden last. This is where it takes the form of a shoes. Every curve, every fold, every detail is made by hand. The craftsman checks the balance, the seams, the alignment again and again until it feels just right. You can see how the shoe slowly comes to life. It's almost like the leather is breathing from rough height to smooth perfection. This is where passion meets patience. The smell of real leather fills the air, warm, natural, and timeless. No chemical, no mass production, only raw skill and honest work. Each moment is intentional, every moment is a part of a long tradition passed down through generation. This is not about speed, it's about respect for time, for material, for craftsmanship itself. Finally, the soul reached its last stage. Finishing edge are smoothed, leather is polished, and every surface is refined by hand. What started as a draw courage now becomes something beautiful, a part of shoes that will walk with someone for years. These shoes carry more than just design. They carry emotion, history, and the maker's pride. In a world of fast fashion and shortcut, true handmade leather shoes remind us of something real. That beauty takes time, that quality is never rushed, and that real craftsmanship still matters. This is not just leather, this is life, shaped by hand, stitched with soul, and craft to walk.